As in the previous iteration of the contraption, tuning forks can be mounted on various spots just as they appear to be in the SAR rendering. Again, the transverse oscillations of the springs induces longitudinal vibrations in the tuning forks. Unfortunately, the frequency which causes maximum vibration in the forks is different from that which causes maximum oscillation in the springs. The spring's natural frequency would need to be an exact subharmonic of the natural frequency of the tuning forks for maximum energy development. Everything in tune means maximum energy transfer, and since energy as the capacity to do work is equal to force times distance, we can say that greater vibrational energy will result in a greater capacity to exert force over a distance. Hence, larger masses could be moved over greater distances. Despite its lack of efficiency, the model gives some idea of how such a system would work on a larger scale. We can indeed see how powerful infrasonic vibrations can be induced into the base and structure by the oscillating springs, without there being any overall translational movement of the platform itself. For clarification, Del Pon, author of the book Universal Laws Never Before Revealed, and John Worrell Keeley, enthusiast, defines vibration as the rhythmic motion of an object within itself, whereas oscillation is the perceptible rhythmic motion of an object itself, usually in reference to external fixed points. Hence, we can classify the rhythmic motion of a compression spring as oscillation, while the rhythmic motion of a tuning fork, gong, or sonorous stone would better be classified as vibration. But it must be stressed that such a system will only work optimally if all of the pertinent elements are in tune. This includes any free masses to be moved or manipulated. We might understand better with this radio equivalent. If we were to broadcast radio frequencies from a large buried radio transmitter with a protruding antenna, then whether for telecommunications or wireless power, any receivers on the surface will have to be tuned to the broadcast frequency in order to receive the signal or transmitted power. The acoustic system will work exactly the same way. Any masses or acoustic devices which are to receive the energy will have to be tuned to the acoustic broadcast frequency or some harmonic of it.